Okay, well, Athermal is our head company from a group of 6 companies that we have here at the exhibition. So we specialize in the treatment of hazardous waste. We've been doing it for 20 years now, and we mainly treat pharmaceutical waste and chemical waste. So in terms of the pharmaceutical waste that we typically accept, it comes from pharmaceutical manufacturers, expired goods, out-of-spec products, expired raw materials. And then chemical waste, I mean literally from any chemical A to Z we would be able to treat in our facilities. So we specialize in the destruction of persistent organic pollutants, which are very harmful to the environment, PCB waste, and we're also able to recover mercury waste at our facility. And basically, we operate a very unique pyrolysis facility that pyrolyzes hazardous waste. And the advantage of our technology is we have less CO2, and we generate or we require less energy in the process compared to a conventional incinerator. So that's basically us in a nutshell. We're basically busy with a very exciting project that will see us become zero landfill very soon. So besides thermally treating hazardous waste, we produce something called a carbonized residue product. And there are 2 companies that are interested in procuring the material to use as an alternative fuel. So I believe not just first in South Africa, but first worldwide, where not only do we thermally treat hazardous waste, we're making a reusable byproduct, and yeah, we will become a zero landfill treatment facility very soon. So that's Athermal in a nutshell. The other companies, if I can start from the left, are Cabo Consult. It's a project that will be based in Port Elizabeth. We take alien vegetation. That's a problem in the Port Elizabeth area. We're going to gasify the biomass and make half a megawatt project as a phase 1 project. We're due to run in December this year, so it's also quite exciting for us. Energy Rubber Tech's been running since 2012 under the Reducer plan. So we take old waste tires, mainly the truck tires for now, and we make a number of products for clients. So this is typically what we would produce at that facility, a rubber clamp product, which is quite fine. I'm not sure if you want to feel quickly. Put you on the spot for a change. So that's very fine, free of steel, which is captured separately from the plant. And some of the clients use the rubber clamp product on road surfaces. It's mixed with bitumen and laid onto the new road surfaces. And the other application is rubber matting. Other companies, Seco Allied Technologies. I'm the director of that facility. We do medical waste treatment using an autoclave plant. So it's a non-burn technology that does treatment of infectious and sharps waste, and we've been running since 2013 on that project. And the last company is Waste Resources that does hazardous waste transport. So depending on the client's requirements, we're able to provide transport requirements for all over South Africa to the clients.
Okay, and how have you found it being here this week?
Well, it's my second day. I've been in a bit yesterday and most of today, and actually it's quite exciting seeing what's out there and how innovative South Africa is. There's quite a few new projects that I think got me thinking a bit differently as well. So I think it's very good for South Africa and I think Africa as a whole. There are quite a few African delegates that also visited us today, and they were also quite impressed with the technology in South Africa and what we're capable of. So I think for South Africa it's definitely a good thing. Definitely looking forward to, I think, tomorrow and future summits.
Awesome, and you're definitely raising the awareness and getting the right networking.
Definitely, I think that's very useful to educate clients or waste generators of what the right thing to do with hazardous waste. It might be more feasible to maybe landfill certain material, but it's not sustainable nor is it environmentally friendly. So that's something we're very grateful for.